Hey students, VR apps too tough to code? Stuck staring at blank Unity screens or endless code errors while your deadline creeps up? Don't worry. AiToolslink is here with a power-packed list of 7 AI tools that'll make VR app development a breeze, even if you're new to coding. Whether you're building a game, a simulation, or the next immersive learning experience, these tools bring AI magic to help you save time, reduce bugs, and actually finish your project on time. Let's get you from overwhelmed to VR app rockstar, fast. Tool 1, Unity Muse. Feature AI-assisted Unity extension for real-time suggestions. Benefit, speeds up scene building and CR scripting. Meet Unity Muse, your AI co-pilot for coding in Unity. It's like ChatGPT, but trained to speak Unity's language fluently. Need a script for teleporting? Just type it in plain English and Muse turns it into ready-to-run CR code. It even helps you auto-complete game logic and clean up errors. Perfect for students stuck on Unity syntax or tight on time. Win. One student used Muse to build a VR museum tour app in under 2 weeks. From idea to upload. Tool 2, NVIDIA Omniverse Code. Feature, AI-powered simulation and 3D world-building toolkit. Benefit, realistic environments with less coding. Don't skip Tool 2, seriously. Omniverse Code gives you an AI-powered playground to create super realistic VR spaces without heavy lifting. It's powered by RTX and great for team collabs. You can bring in 3D assets, animate them with physics, and connect AI agents to interact in your world. Perfect for class demos that blow minds. Perfect for realistic environments like training sims or architectural walkthroughs. Win. A student project for emergency VR training won an inter-college hackathon using Omniverse. Tool 3, MetaSpark Studio. Plus AI plugins. Feature, AR/VR effects. Builder with GPT-powered plugins. Benefit, fun, interactive AR/VR elements made fast. Got creative ideas but hate writing code? MetaSpark Studio has AI plugins that let you build immersive interactions, facial tracking, and more, just by dragging elements or using AI-generated templates. Perfect for social VR apps or mixed reality fun for MetaQuest or smartphones. Win. A student turned their psychology project into an interactive VR emotion recognition game. It got shared on meta groups. Tool 4, In-World AI Feature. AI character engine for dynamic NPCs. Benefit, realistic conversational characters in VR worlds. Tool 4 is dope. Want to add talking characters that actually respond like humans? In-World AI lets you plug in smart AI-driven NPCs into your VR game or story. Just describe their personality and goals. In-World handles the rest. Perfect for story-driven apps, simulations, or educational VR projects. Win. One final-year student built a VR therapy chatbot that responds empathetically. It was their project's MVP. Tool 5, Scenario AI Feature. AI-powered asset generator. Benefit, custom 3D assets trained to your style. Tired of stock 3D models? Use Scenario AI to train your own asset generator. Feed it a few samples and get unique, stylized, game-ready assets you can drop into Unity or Unreal. Perfect for students creating stylized games or thematic VR worlds. Win. A student dev made a full VR art gallery with assets generated by Scenario. No 3D modeling required. Tool 6, Sloyd AI Feature, Procedural 3D Modeling AI. Benefit, fast 3D model creation with zero modeling skills. Sloyd AI makes generating props, buildings, or any 3D structure as easy as sliding a few bars. Need a sci-fi door, ancient column, or vending machine? Just tell it what you want. It builds, textures, and exports it. Perfect for students needing to fill VR environments fast. Win. A duo built a futuristic VR city prototype in days using just Sloyd and Unity. Tool 7, Copilot by GitHub. Feature, AI code assistant for VR dev in VS Code. Benefit, fewer bugs, better productivity. Last but not least, GitHub Copilot. Yes, it's not VR specific, but it's your secret weapon in the IDE. Copilot predicts your next line, suggests fixes, and writes helper scripts based on your prompt. Perfect for students who want to level up fast while coding smarter, not harder. Win. A student built an entire quiz-based VR app in Unity using Copilot to handle the back-end logic. Boom! That's your AI-powered toolkit to crush your VR app projects without drowning in code. From character AIs to drag-and-drop builders and smart asset creators, you've got 7 tools to turn your VR ideas into fully working apps. Even if your deadline is creeping up. Comment below with your VR project ideas. We'd love to feature a few in our next video. Hit like, smash subscribe, and turn on that bell. AiToolslink brings the best student-friendly tools weekly. You've got the ideas. We've got the AI tools. Let's build the future together. See you in the next one.